In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to easily switch back to your personal account on Instagram. Whether you accidentally switched to a business or creator account or simply want to change back, I will guide you through the entire process. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap where it says, Creator Tools and Controls. And now you will see an option called, Switch Account Type. Just tap on it. And then simply tap and select Switch to Personal Account. And then tap Switch to Personal Account one more time to confirm your action. It will take a couple of seconds to switch your professional account to a personal account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.